Hi, baby. Oh. Yes, you're jumping. Hi. Oh my goodness, yeah. Yeah, sweetie. Okay. What else? Yeah? Oh.
See?
See? There's Everett. There he is. He's saying hi to you. Oh. Got that recorded for posterity. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, should we roll over? Should we roll over on your belly? Ooh. Ooh, let's roll over. There we go. Nope, not yet, not yet. Hi, Everett. There you go, baby.
Now you're gonna take a nap.
Are you gonna roll over? Can you show mommy how you roll over? Show mommy how you roll over. Yeah. Oh, you're looking at the giraffe? Yeah. We like that giraffe. That's nice. That's nice. Oh. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yeah. Not gonna roll over, huh? Not gonna roll over, huh? What do you think there, mister? You gonna go for those toys? You gonna go for those toys?
Daddy, jump. I see. Loud. What are you waiting around?
Yeah, I'm waiting for
want to
Everett
see
to roll
the-
over. No.
I want to see it.
You can see it.
Here. See that?
Yeah. See? We're just waiting for him to roll over. Oh, now maybe he's getting tired. He's not gonna roll over. He's not gonna roll over. Can you go give him a little kiss? I'm gonna go give him a little kiss. No, give the real baby a kiss, not the camera. Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. That's nice. That's nice. You're a good brother.